Cho whānau, we're back at it again.
What's good, whānau? Welcome back to another video. This was highly requested on TikTok anyway. We're back with another round of me giving Travis some Māori words and a sentence that goes with it, or putting it into a sentence and Travis guessing. So,
Because I'm Māori. Chair, bro.
my first word for today, my brothers,
Yep.
is aroha. You recently just told me that you
Girlfriend.
have aroha to someone.
Love.
Ooh, yeah. Wahine.
I've heard this one before.
When I first met you, I didn't know if you were into wahine.
Boys. That's for you. Cars?
You were close to the
Games.
first one.
Oh, girls.
Yeah, or ladies, women. Boys straight away, eh?